Eat more food connoisseur. Welcome to my foodie adventures. I'm here to give you my most honest opinion about the restaurant and the food I will be reviewing. So sit back, buckle up, and enjoy the ride, baby. Hey y'all, how y'all doing today? Today, we're doing a review of this little tidbit right here. This is a loaf of pound cake that was brought by Maureen. Shout out to you, Maureen. Thank you for talking my man Bob into bringing this to me. Thank you for purchasing this for me. So I'm going to give you my thoughts, my opinions, and my ratings about this right here. This is from Stock's Bakery, located in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. The main place, the bakery, is located in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, in the Northeast. But they have a spot near my job where you can buy the goodies. It's like a store or something. So we're gonna crack this bad boy open. I'm gonna slice a piece of this cake, or maybe two, depending on how it tastes. And I'm gonna give you my ratings on it. So I hope y'all are having an amazing day. Today is Wednesday. Here we go, cracking it open. It's nice and dense. Smells awesome. Oh my God, it smells good. So I don't have no plate or nothing in here. We're gonna do this Viking. I'm gonna let you see the slice. Here we go. Nice and dense. Try not to drop it after I cut it. Whoop! There we go. So, here we go. So I did a pound cake video with my donut video I did for L&M Bakery. So my man said, "Hey D, you gotta check out Stock's." So he brought it to me. It has an icing on it. In my hands, it feels very moist. So, before I get involved in the food, I'm gonna ask you please to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share me out with everybody you know. All right, Maureen, I'm here to give you my most honest opinion about this goodie, how it tastes, the density of it, and do I recommend you go and grab this tidbit from this place, my foodie fam. So sit back, buckle up, and enjoy the ride, baby. Let's eat. Before I bite down into this part fell off, so let's see. Nice and buttery, nice and sweet. Nice bite. Nice chew. Definitely getting a sugar rush from it. So, let me break it down to you. Definitely taste the sweetness of it. Definitely don't think that the icing belongs on the top of it like the other one. To me, it's taking the shine away from it. This pound cake, if you butter it up correctly, along with the other ingredients, the sugar, it styles and profile for itself. Whether it's butter, whether it's lemon, whatever flavor pound cake you're making, if you equal out each ingredient correctly, you will have a special star. I'm old school. I like that old school kind of pound cake. That kind of pound cake you just slice and bite. So, this pound cake right here, and the L&M Bakery pound cake, I want y'all, my man Bob and Maureen, I want you to venture down to L&M Bakery, located in Riverside, New Jersey. I'm giving you projects too. This is the second one I'm giving you. Go down there and scoop up some of that pound cake. I want to say you got to get to L&M Bakery kind of early, because they stuff flying off the shelf like hotcakes. This is amazing also. I would give this a 9.5. L&M to me was a little bit better. So I want to know what you think about that. It's amazing, but L&M had just a little bit more two-day pound cake, if you understand what I'm trying to say. But I greatly appreciate the thought and the love to dropping off this delicious morsel. I'm going to take it home, and me and wifey and the family is going to get involved in this cake. Pound cake, they doing this new wave kind of thing with this icing on it, thinking that maybe it would give it a different kind of taste to it or extra sweetness to it. But the only way to give it an extra sweetness to it, to add more sugar to it, not something, another component to it that has a different kind of flavor to it. To me, buttercream should be on a cake, a regular cake, or I even found it delicious on a cinnamon roll. But for a pound cake, the kind of texture it is, the kind of taste it is, you don't want that on there. So if it wasn't on there, it would be next level. Well, 9.5 is next level anyway. Because on my grid, I'll break it down to you real quick, Maureen. 1 to 3 is plain old trash to me. 4 and 5 is going somewhere, but it ain't quite met that pinnacle. 6, I'm saying where it's going a little bit. 6 and 7. 8 is good. 9 is good. 10, that's the 10 all day on the money, baby. So this was still an amazing cake. I just want y'all two to go down there to Riverside, hit it on your GPS, taste that cake. They don't come in loaves like this, so Stock Bakery got one up on them. They slice and dice theirs, you know what I'm trying to say? So they wrapping their slices up. I don't know if you can get that option of having a whole pound cake from them. So this right here works very well. It's very genius to have your cakes come in a loaf like that. Anyway, excuse me, that's the breakdown for the breakdown of the pound cake from Stock's Bakery. The main branch is in the Northeast Philadelphia, and I definitely will be traveling over there so I can experience some more of their goodies inside the shop. I greatly appreciate you, Bob and Maureen, bringing this tidbit to me. I greatly appreciate it. My man Bob and his wife Maureen are truly nice people. Thank you for taking the time out watching my video. I'm going to ask everybody else to please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share me out with everybody you know. See, I'm the kind of brother, I give shout outs to people. I give shout out to the people that watch me. I even acknowledge you. Because without you, I would be nothing. So I greatly appreciate all of my subscribers. I greatly appreciate the nice token that was brought to me today. Remember, y'all, every day you get to open your eyes up, you get to take that breath, is a gift from God, baby. You can check me out on the other platforms. On YouTube, Eat More Food. Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Eat More Food Connoisseur. Until the next time we meet. Eat More Food Connoisseur, I'm out, baby.